going on today? Just about to get over to Fun Unlimited Polaris, outside of Gouverneur, New York, friend Ryan's place. Hopefully gonna finish up the work on the four-wheeler today so we can get out for a ride tomorrow. And yeah, I don't know if you saw that video on Instagram or not, but we took off the housing for the stator and probably about a gallon of water came out of there. Wow. It's a lot of water. Probably a little bit of Texas. Just a little bit of Louisiana. Some Canada in there. Definitely some New York in there. Quite the mess, but yeah, these things I'm not really looking forward to it. It is what it is, but gonna get out there, see if we can get it done, and yeah, wish me luck. Look, it's Ryan's new four-wheeler. And look, it's turns. Well, I don't even know what you want to call that. Needs to be a new one, that's what it is. The fuck did you do there?
I spilled something. Name an artist. Listen.
Cody Jenks.
Cody Jenks?
Yep. It's got a couple good tunes. Test out my new tripod. Test out the new tripod. Well, I want it so when I make my own my home porno, I can put it like this.
What, you been filming yourself repairing your four-wheeler?
Starting to.
What, are you gonna high speed it? You blur me out. I don't want to be on the videos.
Don't you worry, you won't be.
I'm in witness protection.
I witnessed you and I protected it. Nope.
Oh, what can we do? What can we do? I don't know what to do. I'm gonna be completely straight, but...
Well, that might just do it. I think we got something here.
Well, now, hopefully that's good for that. Got the old double-ended dildo on there.
The 2-for-1 package. You had it going. I don't think this is going to weaken it as much as maybe James is thinking. Drilling all the way through.
No.
It's already got a pretty good chunk like through there from what I can see on camera. Yeah. It's the Free Willy song. Mm-hmm.
Nothing to do with that.
No. She's like, no, I'm tapping out, boys. That's enough for me. My hole is over it. Did I go all the way through?
I don't know. Look at the other side. Did I go?
I'm trying to get the camera in there so I can...
Are we at the bottom of the thread, maybe?
No, you're all the way through.
I am?
Yeah.
Like all the way out?
All the way.
Shut up.
Dead nuts.
Shut the fuck up.
All the way through.
No shit.
Wow.
Alright.
Alright, be careful with the 3-in-1 and a sharp bit. Oh, now we're gonna have to put a bolt all the way through. It's biting now.
What's happening?
Just got that good little anal lube, the purple anal lube.
It's called purple anal lube. Where's that black bolt we had?
Wow. Moment of truth. Well, in the white room. Oh, she's starting.
Go all the way.
I think we have magic. Oh, it's threading in there. Oh yeah. Oh.
What are you doing?
It stopped.
Oh, that's nice.
Can't get my fat finger in there.
Oh, what are we talking about?
Still wants to go.
We're talking about wiener sizes?
Wiener sizes.
Oh, how do I know?
So I've got it as tight as I can by hand.
Oh, right. It's the only reason you stick around. So you can tell you that.
You son of a bitch. Oh, she's going in. I hope.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Oh, it's going in like a glove. Hey, who's hot, single, and working at the hospital?
Never wondered who's hot and single.
It's going in perfect. It's sliding in like...
Sarah.
Sarah single? Listen, the last one was a dud.
Oh, we went to Tully's for dinner.
Alright, tighten this up a little more. Come back to it.
No, I got this.